Yo, what is up, guys? It's X from XT Cubers, and I know this is my first video on the channel. I'm gonna be making, actually, these are my two cubes. I'm not that big of a cuber yet. I'm gonna be making a 2x2 solve. I was gonna do a 3x3. I'll do that in a later video. So, scramble this up. Scramble it. Scramble, scramble. Scramble. XT Cubers. Now mine is the bar B. So I say that's a pretty good scramble. So we're going to get started. Inspection. There's the last piece right there. Okay. I say I'm good. I'm gonna get closer. Okay, a bit too close. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. The lockups. The lockups. Damn it, I didn't get the part. Oh god, that's gonna hurt. 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 Oh, well, no, it's not gonna hurt legitimately, but it's gonna hurt my tap. Oh, the lockups. Right there, bam. So yeah, the cube is solved, just like you can see. I think I might do a face reveal of my partner T from XT Cubers. He also showed his face. So here's my face. So just got back from hockey. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all later.